A great performance.
Well, thanks everybody for coming out and supporting us and being part of this fun, exciting record. And by the way, for all the kids, please don't try this at home. But it's really, really great being here. I love Wales. It's the most beautiful, peaceful place with the kindest, kind of welcoming people. And I plan to come back to Wales many, many times, and maybe we'll even release some other records as well. Yeah. Thank you so much. And I just want to thank the Botanical Garden. I tell you, I've never seen a botanical garden like this. It's beautiful. It's so peaceful, and thank you so much for sponsoring this. Thank you.
Well done, Ashrita. I think the Wales Tourist Board will employ you from now on, you're the man to head their campaign. Great words. Diolch yn fawr.